Look goodie. Jesus Christ, Queenie! Listen, the way I love myself to pussy clad. Hey, my choice must make me see man I got turn against you now. If you don't support me and go too far with my husband, I still I got turn pound now. Because remember, I still my husband. And I have to take in consideration to everybody have ups and downs. Don't tell me for hide my ups and downs until me telling about my ups and downs. It's a rehabilitate Uno as well. So Uno still have to draw the disrespect line cannot go too far. Because if you say nothing too hard about Dewey, my heart I go beat same blood clot way because I love my husband, I just not want him because him not want me. So the one train not want me not want blood clot your back. When you want me, I want you back. So it's a balance. Why so? Can't make my life. All I want to say I like this only for excitement. I am a fucking excited person. That's my strength. That's my shield. And you understand me? There's so no hypocrite who mad me more than how do I mad me? Oh no, now mad me, because me is a powerful woman with understanding. I used to remember like challenge. My husband gave me the challenge, but he didn't stand up to me and communicate with me, so he leave me with no choice than to turn to my family and internet. Because I do have an internet family, kind of phone and I know me. So when I touch it, I tell me come off an internet. How am I for come off and I phone and know me when I'm an internet family? Don't make no sense. One in go rest and I come back. You know when I rest in here, I go mad and mash up the blood clot out so I have to satisfy myself. So if like this to me, if I'm a two royal crazy, you know, guys understand. But guess what happened? So much girl I live sad life. So much girl will never have a husband. So much girl will never talk for them get defeat. So much girl will never talk for them and them man have ups and downs. So them are the one who right now I hide and I laugh. One girl call me, she laugh. Like me a tickle. I say, tickle me, tickle you. Laugh, she clear, she laugh after me, you know. The people I do that rehabilitate me. That make me stronger. You see from my husband here, but husband come into a big broad world because the love when showing and just blow up. No, the blow when blow up, him has to go back down to build back. Listen to me, you know. He never see this coming. The Wull class in the viral this and the viral that, them support me the best he can. But it's a lot. It's not everybody can stand success. It's not everybody can stand fame. It's not everybody can stand the celebrity role. It's a lot. So, before it make me feel like I am less of a wife, me just trying to listen to blood clot. Me wow! To get my word out. Me wow the queen is I am. To get my speech across. Me don't know when the next step I go be. If I got their back, I will not got their back. But remember, we are husband and wife. Man, they're 30 years and them have 300 million problem with them go through and them still at 30 years. It's life. I remember, God, up this is our spiritual pastor. So in our God's eyes, for better or for worse, in sickness or in health, good or bad, rich or poor. You see them vows there? We you not help me there? We have to scream out loud to the church. The whole congregation. For the church pray for me. The church criticize me. For the church testimony. This is my testimony here I'm giving. So we have to scream out for you to come now as a congregation. Unity is strength. United we stand, divided we fall. So me unite with me as girl power because I don't know you know yourself. And the man doing something. Because I have some bad blood clot bitches out of like myself. And then sometimes no matter how bad we is, we settle for less. Because of love. Settling for less. don't mean necessarily second for less. It means you have a bread, a slice of bread, and because you eat 10 slices already, you want to give that person just the one slice where you have. So that is what settling for less. It don't mean you're dumb. You understand me? I not read nothing when I say no. All them will... I just have to look when I wake up and do my makeup this morning. I said, listen, fuck you. Yeah, and then come look for me and listen, it's the power I have. You see, if me shut down and come off of Instagram, and I go subtract my power. God offers to me a real. You believe it? God, I go see if I go ball and go underneath Michelle and say, Queenie, then we can't do it, God. No! You have to have good, bad, and ugly. We could do the good and not see the good. We have the little bad. Now we get blood clot ugly. You understand me? So God I see if me I go ball and depressed. I say like this, God I go give me a piece of blessing. Remember me telling you. God has something, so I stand up. I cry like an emotion and I stand up firm again. That's what he wants. Strong. Simple things like those. We are human. It happens. Me I walk a long time, I walk with money per finger, I sell teeth and clothes, I do this, I sell here. So I know some business like that. You know, when you have, as you get people money, you have to check it. Do it in the army, do it in a barber one night time, and work a call center. Do it speed and my speed is totally different. Me the 80% I do it speed. So that 20 what I'm have, it take a lot of patience. Out of love I've been patient and I don't mind because I know what I signed up for. But you see, through him now, blood clot communicate with me. And it's not just for morning. Maybe use unstate for example. It was stupidness me and do it argue from when I start talking not answer me. I want to do that type of thing. Him not answer me. I not justify myself about doing mother, you know. But don't tell her already, you know. My sister, the woman don't like me. She rate what me just say her son, which any woman would. But she still don't like me. You see that? I'll stand my composure. You can't have blood clots and take son send go family yard. Crazy? Me I make do it cool out. I'm say no, something like that. You can't not acknowledge me under that. That's gonna be war. Me never believe we're going on a girl pussy. Me never have that in my intention. Me never, because anywhere do go if I'm going to fuck him, now go comfortable. Me know my husband, him don't even go wash shit in somebody's toilet. If they will come at your house right now, I'm stand up right. They say, if you not tell him move him, now move. My husband full of principle. I'm very humble. So, it's not about the feel same run with woman. If he's doing run with that woman right now, him trick me. My spirit will not tell me. You understand? That's what I'm a fear. My fear is the people are getting them head. And they get them, I get them in head. So I kiss batty man, and I disgrace him. So they get it, I get in them head. Remember, you know, you can't get on one mom, you know, and do a Hannah and worship his mother, which I respect that. But you have to know mother different from wife. You are two great women that in your life, you know, but two different love. You understand? No, when anything go wrong, doing with his mom have his back. But you have to know it's not all the time you need to have your mom to have your back. So, nothing wrong. Me not fight your mother. Me I look and say when anything happen, as him say, me I tell him come out. You know what I mean to say to me, I say come out. Why? Me hear your mother on the phone, me shame. So the shame of my blood clot shame because she hear me a baby and you never tell me say she dey on the phone. I say look out your blood clot out there and go to your mama. We all right them way there. So if she take it up on fear head and send who back. Remember me don't know who are coming up there wait and I say any blood clot body come. Me I war them blood clot and not take out my husband. You know I'm gonna wait either. It's just flare up. So from this my sister send the Uber, then me did send go tell her I said me send her over. So me saw you tell me happy anniversary. So me and her son have something I will come back in England. You don't tell me happy anniversary. But you call me for talk about your son present where you sent for him. So you could have the decency to tell me happy anniversary. So I voice note. So the first time I'm a voice note her, I said she don't answer me and she block me. I said, okay. Then when the son running, I said, okay. So listen, everybody have family law tanglings, in-law tanglings, father tanglings, sister tanglings, cousin shit happened. So they can rise above it and stand blood-clad firm. That's the killer. You understand? Mash, move that phone from this account. I can't get free the comments. The phone, oh, this a baby money not going this at all. That's my... You don't put money there, Mash. Oh, shut up, Mash. I'm going to let nobody take the money I hide it so far. Yeah. The phone upon this, I move it from the spot because I can't hang on. No, baby, my next phone out there. It's free me on the ever done him. You understand? But me know me now make no pass no place too far. Because there was a time when you need a certain call. So you have two friends and one friend that want to talk to you, rally back on the next friend. So my husband don't want to talk to me, so I rally back on her. So I take my pain and my feelings, but still someone over there, I still not remember say there's a boundary. You have to have boundary in everything you do. You understand? Don't carry it in here, baby. That's why I say change the position. Oh. It's a lot if you bring it in here. Yeah, so